Hello and welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making something seasonal, fruity and soft, a delicious mango cake made without an oven using simple ingredients and fresh mangoes. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, take half cup curd, add half cup powdered sugar and 1/4 cup oil. Mix well until smooth. This cake does not need an oven, it's steamed like a pudding. Add 1 cup suji. Suji gives a unique grainy soft texture without using all-purpose flour. Half cup milk and mix again. Always soak suji in milk so it becomes soft and bakes evenly. Keep it aside for 10 minutes to soak. Now take 1 cup chopped mango and blend it smooth. Use ripe sweet mangoes to avoid adding extra sugar. Pour this mango puree into the suji mixture. Mix everything well. Now sieve 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add it to the batter and mix. Add 3 tablespoons milk and mix again for a smooth texture. Now take 3 tablespoons raisin with 1 teaspoon flour. Mix well and add them into the batter to prevent sinking. Adding raisin gives little burst of sweetness in every bite. Flour coating raisin prevents them from sinking in the batter. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place the baking paper. Pour in the batter and tap gently. Boil some water in a pan, place the mold and cover. Steaming with the lid tightly covered ensure even cooking and fluffiness. Steam the cake for 30 to 35 minutes. Once done, cool slightly and unmold your soft fluffy mango cake. Mango is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Suji is lighter than all-purpose flour and aids digestion. Curds add natural probiotics for a healthy gut. This cake is eggless and made with less oil, making it lighter. Wasn't that simple and satisfying? This mango cake is perfect for summer tea times or guilt-free sweet cravings. What's your favorite fruit to bake with? Tell us in the comments below. Like and share this recipe with your mango-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more seasonal treats.